Hi, it's August 7th, 2020, and my old boy and I, Sonic, 12.5 years old, are going to try for our Novice Trick title. Respectfully, we're submitting the following tricks. We're going to do one phase indoors, and we're going to do one outdoors, because some things are better outdoors. All right, let's go. Let's do the first one. Come on, buddy. Our first is going to be the sit. Good boy. That's the sit command. Bingo. Good job, buddy. Excellent. Our next one is going to be the stay command. Cease. Stay. It says 6 feet, but we'll do more than that. Just because we're Malinois, we can do that. 10 seconds. So we'll wait for 10 seconds. In the meanwhile, I'll just let everyone know that Sonic is 12.5 years old, a Malinois, aging boy, a little bit of arthritis in the back end. You'll see that from the exercises, but hopefully he'll be with us for a long while. That is our stay exercise. Bingo. Nice, buddy. Good job. Good boy. Gotta see what's next. All right. Now we have a couple of fun ones. Come here, buddy. This is when we speak. Keep loud. Ready? Keep loud. Good boy. That's good speed. He's telling me a whole story, so is Ruby. Excellent. And this is my touch my hand command. Touch. Yes. Good job, buddy. Touch. Yes. Nice. And one more for fun. They're big treats. Sorry, guys. We're kind of spoiling the Malinois. Touch. Nice. Good job, buddy. Up here you go. And that's the fourth one, I believe. Correct. Now, here come the harder ones. Come here, Sonic. Catch a toy in the air. Let's see if the old boy can still do it. Seats. Nice! Good job, buddy! Good job! Sonic! Sonic! Hey! You get excited. Hey! Out! That's the let it go, or the drop it. Very nice! Nice! Sonic! We'll have some fun too. Sonic! Sonic! He likes to do it. Hey! Hey! Out! Out. Yes! Good job. Go to your place. Very nice. Good job, buddy. Gotta put that toy away. Otherwise you won't concentrate now. Walk on loose leash. 30 feet. Come here, buddy. Oops. Alright. Sorry, Ruby. You're next. Not now. Get in. Seats. It's 30 feet between the toes. Ready? Push. And we'll do another 30, just in case the camera never saw us. Get in. Very nice, good boy. Very nice. Bingo. Very nice, good boy. Very nice. And now we have hand signals, 3 behaviors. Stand. Very nice. Bingo. Very nice, Sonic. That was a sit, a down, and a stand.
Can you
Excellent.
Do it one more time.
One more time. Okay, just in case the camera didn't see it. Get it. Walk around. Sonic. Sonic. Very nice. That's a hard one, buddy. Bingo. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Here we go, buddy. And let's see. We have two more we're going to do indoors. heel at my side with an automatic sit. Come here, buddy. Around. This way. Sonic. Sit. At the camera. Nice. Quiet. That's enough. Thank you. You can't have his spotlight. It's his now. Stay. Finally, for the indoor exercises, we have his all-time favorite exercise. Find the scent.
You have to open up the box and show them
Oh,
where
correct.
the scent is.
No scent. Thank you for reminding me that. My videographer, no scent. So I don't feel like I'm doing a magician's trick. No scent. Or I saw the lady off in two in the box. No scent. Okay. You see, the scent can't be in the room. It has to be outside the room. So I have to get it. I'm going to put it back there. I don't have to open this. You'll hear me rattling. Scent's in there. Trust me. If you don't trust me, he will. Stay. Wait. Soup. Find it. Soup. Where is it? Show me. Where is it? Show me. Yes. Good job, buddy. Nice work. Where are you? Yeah. Good boy. Can we do it one more time? Switch him around? Okay, come here, buddy. Come here, Sonic. Sonic. Out. Flat. Good job. Let's switch him around. I wonder if he's watching. What if he's watching? Come here, buddy. Over here. No, no, no. You gotta do the work. So, find it. Where is it? Where is it? Find it. Where is it? Where is it? Find it. Where is it, buddy? Show me. You gotta show me. Yes. Good job, buddy. Nice work. Good boy. And that was a 2-pointer as well. So that concludes our indoor exercises. And we're going to take it outside and finish up our novice trick title. Thank you.